Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do person segmentation in Flutter iOS using the CoreImage filter. So I have rerun my application so that I can quickly show you guys the output. Also you will have to run this output on a real device, it won't work on a simulator. Here you can see this is not how my image looks like. I will quickly show you. Here is the actual image, so this one, but it has added the image filter. I'll change the image just so that you can sorry, I was using image 1, so this was the actual image. Okay, and then I will just change it to, I think, image 2, I guess, and I will rerun my application. And I think I did a mistake. Let me quickly change it. It was for image 2. I assigned it twice, I don't know why. I'll just rerun my application and I'll show you guys the output. So yeah, like I was telling, you will have to run this on a real device. Secondly, the image view which you see is not from Flutter, it is from iOS, so we can't use the UI image view from Flutter, we have to use the UI image view from iOS. So here you can see this is the output. I'll just do it for one more image. Also the vision framework is iOS specific only, so we can't use it for all other platforms. So I'll just quickly rerun this, and here you can see this is the output. So let's see how to do this. So firstly, as usual, I have created a Flutter project and I have just refactored this homepage widget. So it is a stateless widget. I have taken a scaffold, a safe area size box of 500 by 500, and this is our custom widget called my image view. So I have created a file for that. Here I have taken one identifier for it. This is a stateless widget. If platform is iOS, then we are displaying a UI kit view, otherwise we are displaying a placeholder. Now same identifier you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. So just open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. Firstly, inside the assets folder you will have to add few images. So I have added few images, as you can see. Then what I have done is that go to your project and here go to plus. Here you will have to update the minimum deployment target to at least iOS 15. I have already done that. Then you will have to go to app delegate, and here I have just copy pasted this code from the documentation. Important thing which you have to remember is this should be the same identifier which you have defined it on the Flutter side. And here I am referencing one Swift file. So I have created this Swift file called my image view native view factory. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So just copy paste it. Important thing to remember is here we are referencing another Swift file called my image view native view. So I have created a Swift file for that, and here I have imported Flutter UI kit as well as CIFilter built-in. Then I have created our view as well as UI image view as well as a background thread. We are overriding this particular method. We are creating a UI view, then we are creating a UI image view as well. And here I am just doing some NS layout constraints on our image view, adding the image view to our parent view as well. Then we are loading this image. Now here you will have to change the image name to whatever you have added inside the assets folder, otherwise you will get an error. Then on the background thread we convert our UI image to a CG image. We create a CIFilter person segmentation and assign it to input image of segmentation filter, and then we get the output image. And once we have the mask, we again convert it to UI image and assign it to our image view. And we also have to override this particular method to return our parent view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.